Nginendlela ezihlukile zokudlala. Ngakwazi ukudlala ngingadribble. Ngifila ngathi mangidribble like ngifake egamini, and sometimes inokusiza nalabantu engidlala nabo ukuthi bangene egamini nabo, because most of the time nginokenza maybe something siyaqala manje i-rhythm iba khona, and then yonke into iba khona, and no coach if ngingadribble ubona ngathi angifuni ukudlala. Mangilalela abantu bangaphandle bathi hawu uTito akaphasi ngesikhathi, uTito wenzani, but ngisuke ngazi ukuthi ngenzani, because ucoach nawe usuke ngiunderstand ukuthi uyazi ukuthi mangenza so ngifuna ukwenza into so ukuze ukuthi i-team yenze ibe njani, and nalabantu engidlala nabo bayakwazi ukunderstand ukuthi uTito kumele enze into so, because nabo banokungitshela sami ukuthi mfethu uthulile manje, so kumele wenze something. So I think most of the time ngenza lezi zinto for ukuthi ngisize nami then ngisize ne-team.
Special day, special things can happen.
Lengoma lethi weTito, I think last season la ngicala ukuyizwa khona, I think bekuseDurban. I think maba cula lengoma, I think most of the time bafuna like ngidlale yabo, like bafuna ukubona like uTito, like I think most of the time tsira mangiceda ukwenza something bayicula like bafuna more, mangiceda ukora same, and I just feel like for bona mabacula lengoma le basho ukuthi yazini like qinisa, like asi like sikhombisa energy. Masidlali igame neCape Town City, I think sike sathola ipenalty nakhona, and mangimista like bengifila bad, especially for ama-teammates wami, for umsebenzi abawenzile, for cause sonke besisebenzile and bekuyigame enzima, and ngiyakhumbula manje change room bengikhala cause bengazi ukuthi ngiphula inhliziyo zamajita. A few days after from ngimisi penalty, our coach waza kimi wakhuluma nami wathi next time asithola ipenalty we chip, and then ngathi okay akunankinga ngizoyenza njalo.